Part 3, Happy Birthday, Sloopy Come On, Bird is the Word, and the Monster Mash.
If you needed it open when we get on to the off-ramp or later, let me know.
Why would I want it open? It's freezing.
Oh, you poor thing. I would have closed it long ago.
No, I'm fine. I've got layers. It's not that cold.
Yes, I was recording on my phone.
You like the music?
I do.
Do you know the name of this one? I don't.
Is it Sloopy? What's the name of the song, Scott? Is it Sloopy?
Sloopy.
Sloopy.
Is that S-L-O-O-P-Y? That's where the causeway was. Right?
Yeah.
Up there? We have driven over that many times. Oh, you can see the construction. You should be videoing that.
When I pull in, I'm going to let you guys come in and I'm going to run myself upstairs.
Okay.
No, you're going to have the front desk let you up. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about, so I'll just come along for the ride.
Sounds great.
And that's where the struts were. We're going to see that on the video tonight.
Okay.
If we look at those.
Well, everybody's head about the bed.
Where's our filming, Scott?
Really? We used to listen to this stuff.
Good way to get through the bridge.
What are the words again to this, Scott?
I have no idea.
I used to know.
Everybody's head about the bed.
The bird's the word. The bird is the word. Bird's the word.
These are the lyrics.
It's the bird's the word. Everybody talking about the bird.
Well, they made money selling this.
Yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, I need to concentrate. Put that bag down. I can't see the... Yeah, I didn't see the car. Thank you. Thank you.
Right coming on to Treasure Island with that song.
Having too much fun.
Listening to this book.
Yeah, I was having too much fun.
She's seat dancing, folks.
Everybody knows that the bird is a
The Bristol. Oh, it's going away. I like that one. I like that one. I was like that.
We'll have to look at the lyrics for Carol.
Oh, are you kidding?
And me.
The lyrics are "the bird is the word."
I don't know.
That's it.
I don't know about that.
There isn't any lyrics. That one. Or there aren't any lyrics.
Just the Monster Mash.
Oh, I love that one too.
He did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Graveyard
It
Smash.
caught on in a flash.
He did the monster mash.
From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The
vampires
ghouls all
feast.
came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrodes.
Get a jolt from
They did the
my radio.
monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a
Flash.
They did
God, that is a great view. Always stunned by that view.
The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocky, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his paying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Drac's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by
Gonna make great video later with that playing in the background.
and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvanian twist?" It's now the Monster Mash, and it's a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash.
Be a great aerobic song.
It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's
Which is Hawkins over there?
and my Monster Mash is the hit.
Is that the lower one? Hawkins?
In the front, that way.
Smash was meant to.
Oh, so can we see it?
We will. We'll drive by it.
Okay, so that's Isle House up there.
Then you can Monster Mash.
Isle House looms over the Nimitz Chapel.
You'll catch on in a flash.
Looking at.
Then you can
So
Monster
where's Hawkins?
Right back in the
The shorter one.
Easy go. You can
We are riding on, we're gonna be on 7 Seas Avenue. I don't know the name of this street. What are we
We're
on?
exiting Trade Wind.
Trade Winds Avenue, and we're going on to 7 Seas, and that is building 2 over there.
Oh.
Yeah, that used to be a hangar. I used to walk by that all the time, but no more. And this used to be the extension of California Avenue, remember? And
Yeah.
and it's closed off
I
now.
was working in the lab late.
Where'd it go again?
What's playing now?
Jerusalem.
What?
It's a new one called Jerusalem from Africa.
Jerusalem?
Yeah.
You mean it's a real serious song?
Yeah,
It's not the
it's about-
goofy
It's
one?
about
It's like
crazy.
green, but no, turn left. Can I just go?
Yeah.
Okay, good answer.
No.
No?
But there's no
Okay,
traffic.
there's no traffic.
Yeah.
The lights screwed
Yeah,
up.
you
We've already
just
sat
have
through
to
it
use
once.
your own, you're going your own recognizance because you're not getting clear signals. Right?
It's screwed up.
Job Corps, this is your view, right?
Yeah, and here's Hawkins.
That's Hawkins.
That's Hawkins.
What a crappy view they have. Well, they don't have a crappy view.
That's my view. I have the bird coop roofs of Job Corps.
Yeah, I know, you told me. And this is Maceo May. And that is Starview View Court, right?
It is. And this is driving into Starview Court.
Okay, I've never been in this building. This is exciting for me.
Why is it not working?
Starview Court.
All right, here we go.
It's not working.
Oh,
Why is
brother.
it not working? Now it's working.
Okay, goody. Somebody's waiting for us. Thank you.
Can you just drop me a car right here?
Oh my God, look you guys. I got the spot. This never happens. Yeah,
Is this the spot?
this is the spot. It's not mine, but this never happens. It's handicapped, so I'm
They
just
can't
gonna
assign
take
this
it.
to anyone.
Well, I'm handicapped.
And I see different cars in it all the time, so I'm going for it.
It can't be
Okay.
assigned to
Okay.